It should never happen again. Government under pressure to make quick changes to legislation to prevent another round of drama over property tax increases. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, at long last, Vernon Field Development Project to be rolled out.
We're working on it. Mayor Falmouth insists tourism harassment is being tackled.
Did he do it? Principal of Cumberland High on whether he beat a student with a board.
And in the business day, gas prices are going up again.
There's also the health report, sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
How should schools discipline students who behave badly?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.